Hello, welcome to the Unseen World channel. In this video, we are going to know about the curious Inuit practice of wife swapping. Inuit were very open about sex. They were in favor of premarital sex among teenagers in order for them to fully learn about their sexual preferences. Inuit parents encouraged their children to talk about sex and praise their sexual organs. Even Inuit religious ceremonies involve sex. There were two major reasons for Inuits to practice the habit of wife exchange. 1. Expanding the genetic pool and improving the biological resilience of a community. 2. Strengthening bonds between communities. If a man went for a visit to a neighboring village, he would spend a night with a woman from the village before returning home to his wife. When friends went for a hunting expedition, they could swap their wives, who accompanied them on the hunt. Contrary to popular belief, Inuits were reluctant to share their wives with white travelers. The Inuit priests, called shamans, had a very powerful and influential role in the Inuit communities. They were the link between the human world and other world. They were also healers. In the Inuit religious practices, there was a strong connection between shamanism and sexuality. Shamans played an important role in wife exchange rituals. They were the ones who paired random couples together to have sex. Of course, they chose the most desirable women for themselves, in case they were called to help in private matters. They often demanded sex with a wife or a daughter of the family for their services. Shamans also helped with infertility. Besides performing a seance, the shamans would have sex with the patient to help the spirits to introduce babies into the women's wombs. Shamans organized swinger orgies. The orgies were actually religious rituals which called on the spirit to grant the Inuit communities good hunting conditions or good weather. The Inuit shaman swinger ritual was a combination of 7 minutes in heaven teenage game, a Roman orgy, and a prayer meeting. The Inuits called the ritual pulling out the lambs game. The Christian missionaries call it the whore game. The Inuit shaman would gather Inuit couples in the same room. He would call for the spirits to join them. Then the shaman turned out the light of colleagues. The Inuits would get naked and have sex with a random person in the room. After a while, the shaman would light the lamp again. The Inuit couples, hoping that the spirit would grant them a good hunt and would leave the room. The Inuits believed that with natural disasters such as epidemics, prolonged bad weather, or bad hunting conditions, they had to keep exchanging spouses in order for the evil to go away. The shaman was responsible for arranging these gatherings and changing the couples until the problems were resolved. Thank you for watching.